Ah, Kampung Rawa. Where is it? Semarang. It's good for my holiday. Where am I to stay? I will call this hotel.
Good morning, Unlimited Hotel. Misa speaking. May I help you?
I would like to reserve a room. Do you have empty room for me?
Oh yeah, we have some room available for you, miss. Which one will be your choice?
How much should I pay for every room?
Well, the price for the superior room is 610,000 rupiahs net for one night, and then the executive room is 800,000 rupiahs net for one night.
Alright, I think I will stay in the superior room.
How long will you stay and how do you pay, miss?
For 3 nights on 1st January until 4th January 2015, I pay by cash.
Okay, whom the booking for, please, miss?
Miss Lina Arfiani, London, India, November, Alpha, Spasi, Alpha, Romeo, Foxtrot, India, Yankee, Alpha, November, India.
Can I have your phone number, please?
Okay, 085647075031.
Okay, miss. And where do you live?
I am from Singapore.
Okay, would you like something else?
Oh yeah, I won Female Magazine for 2nd January 2015.
Alright, miss. Let me repeat the information I have. With Miss Lina Arfiani, you live at Singapore. Your phone number is 085647075031. You reserve a superior room for 3 nights on 1st until 4th January 2015, and your special request is Female Magazine on 2nd January 2015. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, Miss Lina, looking forward for you coming to our hotel. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
So cute, so beautiful.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Andromeda Star Hotel. Let me escort you to go front desk.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
Help me,
You're welcome.
please.
Okay. Excuse me, miss.
Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure.
Good afternoon, Miss. Welcome to Andromeda Star Hotel. May I assist you?
Good afternoon. I want to check in.
Do you have a reservation before?
Yes, I have.
What name the reservation bill is under?
Lina Arfiani.
May I know your reservation?
1st December 2014.
Okay, Miss. Just a minute. I will check first.
Okay.
Alright, Miss. I will confirm your reservation with Lina Arfiani. The address in Singapore. Your phone number is 085-647-075-301. Reserve the superior room for 3 nights. Your room rate is 600,000 rupiah for 1 night. You pay by cash and your special request is Female Magazine. Is that right, Miss?
That's right.
Would you show your ID card, please?
Okay, my phone number.
Okay, thank you. And then fill the registration card, please.
Okay.
This time. If you don't understand with some item in the registration card, you could ask me.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I got it. Alright, Miss. I hope you enjoy with us. Have a nice day. Thank you.
After you, Miss, this way.
Okay, thank you.
Do you ever stay in our hotel before, Mrs.?
Not yet. This is my first time.
No, we know when you impress us and feel at home in here.
Thank you very much.
Yes, it's much pleasure. Okay, Miss, this is your room at 103.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Billboy. Billboy. Billboy, good afternoon. Okay, Miss, welcome to superior room in Andromeda Star Hotel. And where I must to put the suitcase?
Put it there.
Okay. Excuse me, Miss, I will explain about facilities in this room.
Okay, I'm very happy if you are doing.
Okay. At first, this is the slipper, and then laundry bag and laundry list. If
Okay.
you want to laundry your clothes, you must to take your clothes in the laundry bag. Then you must to fill the laundry list with your name, your room number, and you have to signature.
Okay, thank you.
And then this is a condiment, Mrs. Then this is a coffee maker. You can make a cup of coffee or tea for free.
Okay, can you tell me how to operation this coffee maker?
Okay, with my pleasure, Mrs. At first, you must to open the top of coffee maker.
Okay.
Then you must to pour the mineral water and close the top of a coffee maker.
Yes.
After that, you must to connect the coffee maker with electrical device.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, then wait for a moment until the mineral water on high hot.
Okay, I know it now.
Yes, okay, Mrs. This is a dressing mirror, Mrs. You can find a head letter and envelope in the drawer for waiting for letter. Then this is a standing lamp.
Okay, I like the noon lamp than the night lamp.
It is the best service for you, Mrs.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss, let me follow me again.
Okay.
Okay. This is your view in superior room. This view is garden, Mrs.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I like garden.
It is the best service for you, Mrs.
Okay, thank you.
Then, okay, this is the wardrobe. You can hang your clothes in here.
Okay,
You
thank you.
can hang and then this is as a remote. You can on the press off on or then you must choose the channel.
Okay, I think it's so cold.
Okay. Okay, Mrs. This is your bed in superior room Andromeda Star Hotel. This bed is single bed. Then the beside of bed is table side bed.
Okay, thank you.
You can find a notepad, pen, and telephone.
Okay.
If you need something, you must call the extension number to front office or department in our hotel.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. The other or side bed, you can find a remote television. Okay, Mrs. This is the remote for the television. You have to press the button on or off.
Thank you.
Okay. And then you must choose the channel that you need.
Okay.
This.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss. Let me show the bathroom.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss. This is the bathroom.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss. This is the bathroom with wastafel.
Okay.
And this is ladies mirror. Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Then this is bathtub with shower with hot and cold water.
Okay.
Then the last, this is the toilet bowl.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, it's my pleasure, Mrs. Okay, Miss. This is the facilities of bathroom.
Okay.
This is the amenities. dental kit, soap, and then the towel.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I think this is enough, Mrs. Please enjoy with Andromeda Star Hotel and get wonderful stay.
Okay, thank you. Wait for a moment. This is for you.
Thank you very much, Mrs.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, excuse me, miss.
Okay, thank you. I'm so tired.
Room service. Room service.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is your.
Okay, put on that, please.
Okay, thank you. Wait a minute. Okay, miss, anything else?
Oh, thank you. No thanks.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, miss, enjoy with your breakfast.
Okay.
Excuse me.
It's so hot. Why it's not working? I must call the front desk now.
Good afternoon, Nisa speaking. May I help you?
Why the air conditioner not work as well?
I'm sorry, miss. May I know your number, please?
103. Quickly and wait now.
Alright, miss. Our engineer will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Yes. Can I help you?
Yes, I've got a complaint from 103 that the AC is not working. Would you fix it?
Alright.
Okay, yes.
Okay, I'll be there. Engineer. Engineer. Excuse me.
Okay, come in.
Hey, miss. I got information from reception that the AC is damaged.
Yes, that's right. I'm very annoyed.
Okay, I will prepare it.
Okay.
Just a moment, please.
Not working.
Oh, yes. Oh, I can give a drink, yes.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. Your essay is ready.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I'm sorry for your uncomfortable, Miss.
Okay, never mind. Thank you very much for your service.
Okay, it's my pleasure.
Okay.
Good morning, miss. May I help you?
Morning, I want to check out.
May I know your number, please?
103.
Okay, miss. Wait a moment, please. I
Okay.
will process the bill. Okay, miss. With Lina Arfiani.
Yes.
Your room number is 103. You can check for the transaction.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I think it's true. Wait for a moment. Okay, take it.
Thank you, miss. Wait a moment. Okay, miss. You must do signature in here, please.
Okay. Finish.
Thank you, miss. It's yours.
Okay,
Thank you for choosing Andromeda Hotel. I hope you will come back again to our hotel. Have a nice day, miss.
Okay, whatever you want. This is for you.
Okay, thank you very much, miss.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks for your company, miss.
It's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. Your love is too high,
gantikan dulu.
if you feel like happiness is the truth. If you feel like that's what you want to do. You feel like a room without a roof.
Cut.
What happiness is to you. If you feel like that's what you want to do.
Terus gue kayak dikatain orang tuh.
Can't bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down.
Cut.